Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to align text in table columns and rows in Word 2019 or Office 365. Aligning text in columns and rows is a matter of choosing how you want the text to line up vertically and how you want it to line up horizontally. Follow these steps to align text in a table. Select the cells, columns, or rows with the text you want to align, or select the entire table. Go to the Table Tools Layout tab. Here you will find buttons to align the text the way you want. Let's say you want to align it in the center, or the bottom right, or the bottom center. So that was a quick tutorial on how to do the alignment. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to get more PC tips.